Meet Alex. He's an entrepreneur. Recently, he has launched his streetwear clothing outlet and he wishes to make his business a global deal. He has recognized that the internet is a key to his business expansion, and keeping that in mind, he created his own blogging website in order to establish an online presence. He began publishing blogs on the website, but the number of visitors to the website was very insignificant. Thus, Alex started searching about how to get more reach and visitors for website, and it was at this time that Alex first read the phrase search engine optimization or SEO. Well, since he is unaware about the term search engine optimization, let's go on a journey together to learn more about it. Search engine optimization is the method that could improve the quality and quantity of Alex's website traffic that is coming from the different search engines. It has the potential to raise brand awareness, attract local customers, and boost credibility. And all this is possible without spending a dime. Basically, to bring visitors, Alex will have to take advantage of two types of SEOs, that is on-page and off-page SEO. Just as the name sounds, on-page SEO refers to the optimizations you make to a specific page on your website to get it to rank higher on the SERP for queries related to the keyword it's targeting. Alex decided to take on this on-page SEO for first. He used tools like Google Ads, Ahrefs, SEMrush to identify popular search terms associated with streetwear clothing. After gathering high-volume search keywords, Alex started writing blogs by trying to include these keywords. He also made sure that he's including photos and videos of different streetwear collections to gain credibility and engagement for the content. And to Alex's benefit, his efforts paid off. Search engines started ranking his blogs at top side of search pages. After this, Alex optimized aspects such as meta tags, alt tags, header tags that get shown on the search page. And with this, Alex completed the on-page aspect of SEO. Thanks to on-page, Alex saw substantial increase in the number of visitors visiting the website. Then Alex decided to move on to off-page SEO. Unlike on-page SEO, off-page SEO is all about doing activities on other websites to raise the ranking of your own page. Optimizing your site for off-page SEO means you'll have to improve authority, popularity, and relevance of your website. A broad simplification of this is that other respectable sites on the web should link to your content, vouch for it, which circling back will improve your website's credibility. Not only this backlinking, but it also includes channels such as guest blogging, social media promotions, citing, influencer or advertisement marketing, etc. Since Alex's goal is to develop a global brand, he knew that he would have to do this. Hence, he started promoting his content through social media channels such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. He started creating social media specific video contents as well, and this added an extra external source for traffic on Alex's website. He also started learning about backlinking to gain more trustworthiness in the eyes of visitors. Even after all of this, Alex had just barely touched the surface of what SEO is capable of. Basically, SEO is a continuous and long-term process, and Alex will have to maintain his efforts towards it in order to keep his business thriving. That's all we have for today. Thank you for watching the video. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so that you never miss any update from Intellipaat YouTube channel.